Hello there, Internet people interested in SSP. Today we will create an SSP file containing an FMU. And we have to do that in two steps. First, create the FMU. They don't grow on trees. And then we have to create the SSP file. We start by creating the FMU. And we do that by duplicating one of the standard examples in the Modelica standard library, because we have to add the sensors and the outputs that will make up the FMU outputs. So I have added the speed sensors here, and then we are going to connect them from the rotating inertias to the speed sensors. And just to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes while editing the model, I will then simulate the modified Modelica model and make sure I got the correct outputs. This looks all right. So then I am done with that. And then I will create the FMU. So I have to check what kind of type of FMU we want, what version number, and then there are a myriad of different settings that you can turn off in Dymola. Then I will only export the outputs and the top level parameters of the model here. And now the model has to be compiled a second time in order to generate the code for the FMU. So now we are ready to create the SSP file. So we will start by importing the FMU we just produced, because we will use that in the SSP. And I decide to do a black box import, so we only get the outputs and the parameters. So the standard practice for creating an SSP file is that we start by creating a package where we will put all the stuff that we need for the SSP. Could be parameter sets, could be models, etc., etc. Here we create the package, and then we create a model inside that package. The system under test. And the system under test just contains one component, which is the FMU that we created just now. And that's it. Now we just have to save it as an SSP file. So let us now check again that everything works all right. So we clear the workspace in Dymola. Then we open the SSP file. There it is. And we can see that it not only has the model system under test, but it also had the FMU that was copied. And then we can run the simulation, and here we got the rotation speed outputs. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see the artifacts of a co-simulation that we only get output points at a certain interval. Thank you very much.